Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.exchange. What a fantastic market. Yesterday, in the pre-market, whatever mentioned, that has happened. But today, my pre-market report was not very accurate. But later, I found out some interesting things which I shared in my social media, Twitter. What happened in the morning, HDFC Bank was going down. And when I check the call option prices, call prices are slightly higher. When a price is going down, the call prices should go down logically, but the call prices are higher. So that was an indication some people are trying to bring the stock down so that they can cover their shorts. And I immediately written in Twitter, no, there is a possibility that HDFC Bank may go higher today. And I came out with all other reasons. Those who are interested, you can go to my Twitter timeline and you can check. Because the global markets are mostly all-time high, we were not at all-time high. Nifty is just 200 point away from all-time high, but Bank Nifty is more than 2,000, 3,000 point away. That's mainly because of HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank has been hugely underperforming. So I said there is a possibility HDFC Bank may do well. And if HDFC Bank shoots up by 100 points, the Nifty can take out all-time high. And surprisingly, at the end of the day, I found out from newspapers that last month, when the HDFC Bank has fallen, mutual funds have bought for almost 14,000 crores. So probably this news has triggered some kind of a short covering. Although it has been reported in the newspaper, it's a well-known fact that HDFC Bank is the stock having the highest weightage in Nifty. All the index funds would have, invested in HDFC Bank, and most of the mutual funds will be holding the HDFC Bank. So it was reported that ICICI Mutual Fund has bought for nearly 4,000 crores. So probably this is the news that has triggered some kind of a short covering in HDFC Bank. However, Axis Bank has fallen 2% because Subramaniam Swamy has filed some case against Axis Bank. So that news also I came to know only after the market hours. And otherwise, today, as usual, Bank Nifty has made more than 1,000 points. But today is the first day from intraday low to high, it was not 1,000 points. From yesterday afternoon high, it fell about 700, 750 points. Then from the bottom, it shot up 700, 750 points. It was a huge short covering by banking stocks, particularly HDFC Bank. State Bank, as usual, has been doing very well. And today, PSU Bank index has shot up more than 3%. You may remember just few days before, all the PSU banks came under selling pressure. Even that time, State Bank of India did not fall. So now, today, once again, State Bank of India has hit a fresh all-time high. So when State Bank of India doing well, HDFC Bank doing well, then, all other banks started falling. Then IT, came under some pressure. So overall, today, after so many days, at least Nifty future closed above 22,000. Nifty spot is still below, but Nifty future closed above 22,000. So it's a matter of time, another one or two good trading sessions, even the Nifty may close above 22,000. Long-term underperformance of HDFC Bank turned around. So that is giving a hope for the bulls right now. Although markets are bullish, there are intraday, huge spikes, yesterday, US markets did very well. In US markets, volatility index fell 10%. So, by looking at all these things, GIFT Nifty was indicating higher opening, but we opened higher, then started selling off immediately. And not only that, at some point of time, within first 15, 20 minutes, there was a sudden spike of about 80, 90 points. So this is the nature of bull market, and markets will be higher after so many days, but you will find intraday volatility will be killing. And intraday traders are finding it very difficult. When I go to social media, Twitter, I find so many messages, people saying, I lost heavily, I lost all my capital, this is my highest loss. So that is the nature of this choppy market. So if you are an intraday trader, I think better stop trading for few days until market stabilizes. If you want to stay for a long time in stock market, the most important thing you have to learn is when to stay out of the market. So if you know certain period where you have to stay out of the market, then you can stay longer for in this market. Otherwise, one day you will become bankrupt and you will be thrown out of the market. So that is what the story is all about. There are so many stories. If you go to social media, you find all those kind of things. But markets, if you look at so much of difficulty, so many people losing, but the markets are moving higher. That's why I always tell traders can make better money in bear market, but traders making money in bull market is very difficult. And because suddenly the markets will fall. Like if you have seen the last few days, PSC stocks fell 10%, 20%, 30% in just 1 or 2 days. Now again going up. We don't know why it fell so much and why it's going up. Traders would have lost. So the caution is that at least for this series, better keep away. Or if you are a seller, positional seller, you can just sell far out of the money where there is a support and resistance. There is no need to look at the open interest and this kind of thing because this is a weekly expiry. So fresh positions will be added only tomorrow. Everything is looking good right now. So it's a matter of time. We will be taking out all-time high very soon. So it is time to be bullish, especially today with this kind of a news and with this kind of a market move by HDFC Bank. So Bank Nifty may be outperforming going forward. So when banking stocks outperform, then it's very easy for Nifty to take out all-time high. You may remember we are just 1.5% away from all-time high when HDFC Bank is 10-15% from all-time high. Imagine if HDFC Bank moves just another 100 point and Bank Nifty will cross 47,000 and Nifty will cross 22,125. So let us see what is going to happen tomorrow. And once all the events are over, so that is when the direction will set in the market. I think the direction is clearly on the upside now. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.